If you want to maintain your privacy while using Apple Pay, you can easily hide your online status. Follow these steps to ensure your activity remains discreet. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where you can manage various privacy and account settings. Step 2. Tap on Privacy. Once in Settings, scroll down and select the Privacy option. This section contains all the privacy-related settings for your device. Step 3. Select Location Services. In the Privacy menu, find and tap on Location Services. This feature controls which apps can access your location information. Step 4. Adjust Apple Pay settings. Scroll down to find Apple Pay in the list of apps. Tap on it and adjust the settings to limit access to your location, which can help in hiding your online status. Step 5. Review your account settings. Finally, go back to the main settings menu and tap on your Apple ID at the top. Review your account settings and ensure that any sharing options are turned off to maintain your privacy. By following these steps, you can effectively hide your online status while using Apple Pay. Remember to regularly check your settings to ensure your privacy preferences are up to date.